In RSA method in cryptography, first we choose two prime numbers which are actually very large. Large means usually there are 1024 to 4096 bits in one of those numbers in real case, but in the examples we are only choosing very small numbers. First I will explain the theory behind this method. First we choose something one prime number which is called P, and then another prime number which is Q. Both have to be prime numbers, and then we calculate a value called N, which is equal to P times Q. Actually there are so many values that we have to calculate based on this P and Q, and there is another value called torsion, which is denoted by phi n, that is equal to P minus 1 times Q minus 1. Now we have to choose a value called E, which is in range 1 to phi n, and also it is co-prime for phi n and 1. What does that mean is the greatest common divisor of that E, GCD of En. I will remove this. The greatest common divisor of En phi n equal to 1. For example, let's say we have 23 as E and we got phi n as 31. These are just for the example, these values might not correct, and the E value should be the GCD equal to 1 means 23 and 31. The only value divide both of these numbers evenly is 1. For this example, it can be different from other examples. These things will make a lot more sense when we consider examples. Before we consider examples, we have to learn Euclidean algorithm and the extended Euclidean algorithm so that we can consider examples. So when we consider example, that will be a lot more sense for you. And after choosing that E, we have to take another value called D, which is equal to e to the negative 1 mod phi n. Actually, we can calculate this D value using Euclidean algorithm and extended Euclidean algorithm. And after that, we have these values P, Q, N, phi n, E and D, and all of these were calculated for get two things. First one is public key and the second one is private key. For encrypt data, we can use this public key, and to decrypt them we need this private key. In here the public key is a pair of numbers which contains D, E and N, and this private key is a pair of numbers which contains D and 8. Here this D, we have to keep it as a secret. When we are hacking things, we try to guess this D value. If we can guess this D value and it is encrypted using RSA, we can crack it, or we can decrypt it and get the plain text. So that is the theories behind this RSA method. In next video I will be teaching you about Euclidean algorithm and extended Euclidean algorithm using examples, and after that we can discuss an example for this RSA method. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.